MySQL, mariadb, error 1698, 28000, access denied for user root apostrophe at localhost. I'm working on Ubuntu 15.04. I already installed the mariadb server on various systems and was always asked for a root password during installation. This time, however, I don't remember being asked for the password. When I try to log in without a password, or a blank password, I get the access denied for user root apostrophe at localhost error. I tried uninstalling the package completely by. When I reinstalled, I still didn't get asked for the root password. I tried the mysql skip grant tables approach from MySQL how to fix access denied for user root apostrophe at localhost. I can modify the password for the root user in the MySQL database, at least the hash value changes, but I still cannot log in with the new password after a restart of the MySQL server. I still get the same error. The user Debian sysmate does not exist. So, I cannot use it to fix anything. Any ideas what else I could try?
I solved the problem following the answer from this post. Can't reset MySQL, mariadb, root password. One has to change the plugin field of mysql.user for all roots to a blank string.
You need to reset the password. So for that,
the idea with the new setup is that you shouldn't be using passwords at all. See Unix_socket authentication plugin for details. What's especially relevant is the contents of /user/share/doc/mariadb server 10.0/readme.debian.gs on Ubuntu 16.04. On new installs, no root password is set and no Debian sysmate user is created anymore. Instead, the mariadb root account is set to be authenticated using the Unix socket. For example, any mysql invocation by root or via sudo will let the user see the mysql prompt. You may never ever delete the MySQL user root. Although it has no password is set, the Unix_auth plugin ensure that it can only be run locally as the root user. The credentials in /etc/mysql/debian.cnf specify the user which is used by the init scripts to stop the server and perform logotation. This used to be the Debian sysmate user, which is no longer used as root can run directly. So if you disable that plugin for root and set a password, the daily cron job will break as it's assuming it will log in as root without a password, but with the plugin. Later it says, script should run as a user have the required grants and be identified via Unix_socket. So it looks like passwords should no longer be used by applications.
I did it by running this command, right after installation. At first step, password is blank, so just press enter.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.